So I've been wanting to do this for a long while. I got this in almost 3 years ago, and I've been waiting for this for a long time. Let me get it. I got this Nardi when my favorite YouTuber was meant to come to Australia. Things happen, but then I got it signed at LZ World Tour, and it's been sitting in a box ever since. I got it signed on October 21st, 2023. It is now February 3rd of 2026. It's finally about time I did something about it. I got it signed with a marker that I thought would be a bit more permanent. It wasn't. I could literally get like a wet wipe and smudge it a bit. So I said to myself, I want to get it engraved or get it laser etched or something. And now it's finally the time that I'm going to put it in. Because why not? It's cool. I love it. I'm excited. I've never even had a car with a Nardi in it before, and this car I think is perfect. I also forgot to mention that I have other accessories for this. I have a Workspell, what would you call this, button relocation kit that I'm going to be putting in the car because I love my steering wheel buttons. There's no way I'm not going to have them. So we'll sit behind the wheel and I can keep my buttons. So that will be nice. We'll see how that goes. Well, actually, we gotta actually go get the signature permanent. So I guess let's go do that.
So in an hour, is that alright?
Yep, that's fine.
Yeah, it won't take long, mate.
Oh,
see
cool.
See if we can do it on the spot for you.
Sick, that's awesome.
See ya.
See ya, thank you.
Bye.
Bye. Now what am I gonna do for an hour? Oh. This car looks incredibly good now. Incredibly different to when you guys last saw it, but it's a bit dirty. I won't lie. It's a bit dirty. Ready for a probably 30-degree day cold start? $28 it says outside. I forgot my wallet. Air conditioner up, I think. We got 28 degrees on the dash. We got two wheels. I've actually never really had it in this car. It seems to be a bit bigger than the, tiny bit bigger than the, about the same size. You know? But yeah. Let's get it engraved. Let's see if the camera falls. Oh, it didn't. Oh, there's dirt there. I'm actually quite excited for this. I've been waiting almost 3 years for this. Just over 2. But I've wanted to do this for quite a while. But I've also never really had a car worth putting it in and blah 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 blah, but I think it's about time I did it. Oh, right, my nuts! Now, I do not have the balls to take the camera in with me and film in front of people, so if I get anything in there, it will be phone video, but even then I think my phone video is better than this camera anyway, so but I am almost there. We will be getting it done. Ah, I fell again. Okay guys, well, I don't think I'm gonna get any clips of the engraving process, the etching process, but it is happening. It is happening. I left it in. Hopefully everything all goes well, and I'll pick it up later when I get a phone call. Anyway, cut to then.
Parking mode
So it's ready to pick up. I'm gonna go there now and pick it up. It's the next day. He said he needed a bit more time, which is fine. So yeah, let's go pick it up. So this is what it looks like. I don't know if you can tell the grooves in it or not, but that's what it will look like eventually. Now, if you don't recognize this signature, I don't blame you, because like, who knows people's signatures? Like, that's a weird thing to know. I'll give you a hint, because I have a poster of it. It's Jimmy Oakes. One sec, I'll get a better angle of it. I was super excited to meet him. I'll put a photo on the screen, probably if I tilt this here. And it will fit nice and perfectly in there. And I still remember that. I remember I was a little in the moment, you know what I mean? When you meet a celebrity or whatever, if he considers himself that. I use an idol, put it that way. But yeah, no, I remember the conversation we had. I still had my Lancer at the time, and he was like, you know, just turbo it, and then I didn't listen. So I bought this, and now hopefully, you know what, I think this is cooler. I do have plans to boost this though. Yeah, so glad I picked this. Believe it or not, I only got this because I knew Jimmy Oakes was coming to Australia. I was like, I want to get a Nardi signed by him. I want it so bad, and I had to like rush to find one online, and this was all I could find, and I'm like, look, it's great. And the only other ones were like black, which I prefer the metal, exposed metal look, or not anodized black. But yeah, I'm pretty happy with it. Gonna be cool. And the piece de resistance. So everything has arrived to put the wheel on. I'm gonna pull the car into the shade more, and then we're gonna get to work. Think that's close enough? Yeah, but good enough. Now we've got to get this off. There's one on each side. I've made a grave mistake. The wheel isn't straight. Damn it. Looks straight to me. Now that that's done, now I can take off the other side. There it is. Now apparently there is clips in there that I've got to find, but I can't see that, so the camera has to... Oh, there we go. And then it should just... Selling one Subaru airbag. Meep, meep. Don't lose the nut. Now, a good time to open this would be now, so I know what I'm looking at. Genuine works well. So now I need to take the buttons off of the steering wheel, and I need to put them on the bracket so that I can run them. But now I need to pull the steering wheel apart. This battery is pretty low, so I'm just gonna quickly do that now and cut to. I'm glad I didn't yank that out. So what I'm doing now is putting the buttons on the hub. I need to tighten these up. So we got this nicely mounted. I've still got to put the cover on. It's just getting trimmed. And then, like, we're literally almost done, which is cool to think about. We're putting the battery back on. We're gonna see how everything does. Oh. I didn't even press the button. Back. Yes. Everything works. Let's see if calling my mum works. It works. We're gonna try start it. No lights. That's just my tire pressure sensor light, because obviously I've got no tire pressure sensors. So that's pretty good. Pretty good if you ask me. Yep, cruise control works. Whew. what, we're 90% finished?
I don't know.
Last,
Not my work.
last 10%. Oh. Finally, one went on. If I can get it in. Works! It works! Damn. It looks good, feels good. Runs great. No lights. That's what we want to see. I think we clean up and go for a drive. We were in first, not reverse. The steering wheel feels very nice. It's really hard to explain. It feels very firm, really light, but again, really solid. It's just doesn't feel as sloppy as a stock steering wheel. But I'm very happy with this. I've never gotten to drive a car with an aftermarket steering wheel, and oh, very happy.